In this video, we will look at the PDF Tools tab in WordMorpher. The PDF Tools tab is used for batch operations with PDF files. It allows you to merge PDFs, split PDFs, extract selected pages, remove selected pages, keep only selected pages, rotate pages, reverse page order, and reorder pages. First, open the PDF Tools tab. To add PDF files, click Add PDF Files. You can also drag PDF files directly into the PDF list. After the files are added, WordMorpher shows them in the list. The list includes the file name, number of pages, and file path. When you select a PDF file, the preview area shows basic information about the selected file, such as its name, page count, and file size. You can change the order of PDF files with Move Up and Move Down. This is especially important when you want to merge several PDFs into one file, because the order in the list becomes the order in the final merged PDF. Use Remove Selected to remove one file from the list. Use Clear List to remove all files and start again. Before running an operation, choose the output folder. This is the folder where WordMorpher will save the processed PDF files. You can also enter an output file name, especially when merging files or creating a new PDF from selected pages. To merge multiple PDFs into one file, add at least 2 PDF files, set the output folder and output file name, and click Merge. To split a PDF, select one PDF file and choose the split mode. Each page creates one separate PDF file for every page. Every X pages splits the PDF into groups of a defined number of pages. Custom Ranges lets you define your own split ranges. For page operations, use the Page Ranges field. You can enter a single page, multiple pages, or a page range. For example, you can enter 1, 3, 5 to use pages 1, 3, and 5. You can also enter 2 to 6 to use pages 2 through 6. Use Extract Pages to create a new PDF that contains only the specified pages. Use Remove Pages to create a new PDF with the specified pages removed. Use Keep Only Pages to keep the specified pages and remove all other pages. To rotate pages, enter the page range, choose the rotation angle, and click Rotate Pages. The available angles are 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Use Reverse All Pages when you want to reverse the order of all pages in the selected PDF. Use Reorder Pages when you want to define a custom page order. For example, entering 3, 1, 2, 4 creates a new PDF where page 3 comes first, followed by pages 1, 2, and 4. The PDF Tools tab also works with the Watch Files tab. If you have selected changed PDF files in Watch Files, you can use Merge Selected Changed PDFs or Split Selected Changed PDFs. During each operation, the progress bar shows the current progress. The log area shows what WordMorpher is doing, which files were processed, and whether any errors occurred. If a page range, split range, or reorder sequence is invalid, WordMorpher will warn you before processing. After the operation is complete, review the output files and check the log. You can export the log as TXT, CSV, or PDF if you want to keep a record of the operation. Use Clear to remove the current log before starting a new PDF operation. The PDF Tools tab is useful when you need to combine documents, split large PDF files, extract selected pages, remove unnecessary pages, rotate incorrectly scanned pages, or rearrange pages without opening a separate PDF editor. In the next video, we will look at the OCR tab, which can recognize text in scanned PDF documents,